Adama and so the simple can the ship dealer the next incoming president Eddie Magana.
Okay, on your incoming president. On your filing fee, now being incoming.
That's what
Fali Bibi. Why not Fali Bibi?
Sir, on your filing and everything.
And I may say, why not Fali Bibi? Obia Unitia Fali Bibi.
And to say, ultimately incoming.
Kase, electoral commission, no. Onyemie way out say, Obia, the candidate be Fali Bibi in Fabra.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
Now, Okaze incoming, I would deserve Okaza. Yeah. Because we have totally win. Totally.
You have totally
win. Simple.
School one more teacher for Brepa. You have totally
Messi, we have totally win.
You have totally won.
Nanya Saram Kano, I said I'm
who can win or can won.
Now win the one no. The difference being in the home.
Difference woman is there.
The difference asa obi no win here a win na. And we be quite election no win here. And also a win and on na.
Win there.
A win na.
Now win the one difference woman say.
And I make sure the difference woman say. Football. Yeah, koba. A win lose draw.
The football.
Oh, master. So when tears ya wa chira. Nya hana me bet you.
But I'm just say also win. Okay, say we have totally win.
Win.
And I'm also say we have totally won.
Minka say won.
Me na make say can won.
Master. Me kabukum bluff unzo ka fie.
Me book je na me.
Master fie de bluff wa ka nye fie de.
Now what is the past tense of win?
Also what is the past tense of won?
Won the past tense of win.
Na me no me one in table of our busam question. That's them we da bi me can out what they say. Say na wo visa wo can bluff for papa na say wo visa say who dia
me down there ham and say school now so quite near you now ne bluff na wo can. And they are ham because Oxford University near you. Yeah, but odi me ship dealer come to train no. Nandi I'm not for some picture na me kan. Na in fact school and omoye career day.
Yeah.
They omoye say akorabia dress dining people ho. Akorabia dress the opposite oye dachi.
Okay.
Oh, to bo be dress doctor. Obo be dress nurse. Obo be dress ba akoraba ko. Ya so do what the teacher needs to go fie. Then na dia ba no. Now the text say na grand say live on Facebook. And of course we are on our YouTube page. Bright can come on YouTube. Anyway,
say na grand address here there. Me pacho headmaster no. Wan kan ye. Eni pa no pam no the teacher ni no pam no. Wa nya de ba kokora.
Akra address say obeso ye
go. Eya de papa e wo wiase ye beto ye nananom ade ya so mwa besi ne wo ti studio ha se obi ye komfo enye
me nka so obi ye komfo
na kura do se di dream ni se that wo be komfo eya de papa nyansa se man kura de sunya wo wiase pa no because I say obedi no kura magana man no wa dress say na se abema yusu ya ne chiame a odizemu dabi mense odizemu ara obi bo tie ba ho so be da che pastor en go be pam no
dabi ene mo
ya nananom ade om de agya ya no ya nya nkofo bi de ade enkwala asem na okeken entina me see ya wo won che ye no
oh ya no
dabi akra dressing nice decent dressing
me nka the teacher
ni promote Ghana culture no ya culture ni say ya no Ghana for no ya beto ya nananom no yeah traditionalists
then
me chese yesum ye nananom eno ma ye beto ye
traditionalists
yes
traditional
me chese traditionalists eno ne yesum
okay
asa
kwabon
akwabon me pa cho pe kwan koplem pani bi nwe sima bon no pe kwan ekobi si yakoni flia
say dem be do everything ko
obetima cost kwa so mbe fa
dem say ma
na ho na obehu
matra ho da
na me sisi ma bon ko to ni bi na ko masters
my masters away
master
tebia PhD
master ko ablo chira mbe sa mo en fofo me ka chira ne nya tek na ko wie ye na ko ye no
na yo masters o tek izo ko bi jabo
Ghana ni lawyer bi obekwa ablo che bi o sa ko school kakra
na say na broche so go lawyers no so ba ha also a treasure as we answer
on there or lawyer so ni ma wo dey say usua enkroma time on lawyer bi ba kroma wo yeproni na ofri inyiresi abrochire ba kroma no that time na me papa nso ye lawyer and no question me papa say ade no wa ma policeman na o te ho no ya yemfa ne say o ye prostitute no wonu lawyers na konya wa ba tena so ho na papa salatu no no working policeman out on deserve us on the lawyers try the same bench abrofo ni mlase ye omu mlase so say ye ti akola no dress ni de ay one of the decent dress me unu crowd mention is car because we enipa ni nwie onwie o da akola dress say ya why na be wia akola de we nyina no kura nko a okay and wo ko school no be hunu de obi penda ho pa on fada because ni ma de aye nananu ma bosum timi ye akwa no ye nyansafo papa
okay
no be bin da achen so
all right only the ekoso America no
me pacho
then ekoso
and then 3 days na me nyansa call no mu Donald Trump no ya impeach no o ti ase ya kire ni bibi ketua bi na se obedi di White House kura bi ma odi obehu say 20th esi next week and be there with the White House no obedi di ewo White House bi ma you shall see
and be there
ma asa asema me kan nyam bi there asem na me kan as me kan asem serious kira unkobi and una TV na be
ai
uti TV ya chi hwe bo a ne fenko e na ugina park ne so ase wa unim won sema ye be kan wo ho no ebi wo ho a e offload ya kan wie no ni asa delete dia be kire mu
ma delete
me chese ye delete questions ni bi ni dia be kire mu na nya no asem na me ka kire
ya dey delete bi as
ye wo editing so they mention
okay
and no you say yam fan so obi de bibi ba out ni ye yishim and your friend editing
fantastic
say unko school da and no
okay
and I am say lecture no normal we want to no watch wa
okay delete one ka editing
delete na me kai no man kasa
delete
oko unim baby the floor Jamaica omo patwa na omo kan no enu ewom delete ni wom but omo kan sharp nti wonte
okay
so won ti patwa
se wonte patwa nso
na mi wiase dia kasa be na mi nti wo wiase
wonte French
dia kasa be
masam that's wonte French
there be obia the whole world country bien wa me nko so da
okay nti French ni ka bon arrivé as I just say
yeah ba class wa hana
oh what
won su me etima usawa se
busawe
se French ni ka trois se chese
trois
se chese o se
3
na opese o
dabi sound throw at man sound by the me den musaba me so answer
French focus vient and depend as I say vient and depend don't tia sientia vient no chese bla depend near pan unti bla be depend vient and depend na woni man on go down so got a vient and depend there's a bla ne be depend
okay French nigga say
vient and depend
it is a brother be
depend pan only depend
okay
and a vient near bla
well now talk about Trump there no yan koso
me pacho ya impeaching serious one na say no oya aje ne forms what to na White House one kura no say yesade one of the typical serious band de be ma no say who so na mani mu ha na Japan ya America nyino be sesa akọ onya America ni nsi obi a o asa ka tra won dem ha ne
so free White House abani ntwam ho grebi
dabi wo be twam ho ne no me America nyino de be ayina o de be ko Mexico ba bi okoto wo no a ne wo no hu America kura anu kwasem na me ka che no
na Trump onye wadafo
me pa che me bibi ni onu so jini mutum se oye bruni America opo mo tete America red Indians omo na America yo dia omo na yen ye koto wo mo ho enuma omo ye nyina ye nananom ne mo ye say adwuma ye ne chicha America Trump no ne background in America be pia go and check Donald Trump background you shall see the background in free baby our America all baby we mu pa no a of Australia you chrome no
asa we got them to Germany
sam no Germany dia ne na ba na ko to ho free ho
okay
ne na ba na ko to Germany and no cry Berlin on free Germany baby on home free America baby
now but impeachment na such a thing
with the so serious note as man person catch on say man tena ha nche no ya wade bi ho bitimi kirase betwi but nya ade nyina no bitimi kirase betwi
but impeachment no
si asem na me catch on ya say impeach obi a senka o mampani akufu ado te hai na ebi agana mlabi wabusu kakra parliament timi impeach no what does it na ye impeach wa that means say ye ne bokobokoma na umpa unche say we say awutu am ye ne bokoma wa umpe na ma kire wo say me nsem edinsen ye say wo gire wo nsem nzu a akamfo ne kan wo say he dey ye bum we ye bu ne nsem ne nyante ye be twakura to atwe America ye nkun to kwabasabasa say da
it obum rabi so a na o ma ye dey
na sema me ka no still adable wo ko su wa anya pi
they will say
se Ghana ha ya tie say o mampani we ya otisu ya kufu adu yi ya mfie na ya kwa mma bai ono ne kona mba na ebi amakofum rabi e wo Ghana ha what you say parliament metima impeach me atchema ba semla ni dimi a utie nie yetimi tum ade so
okay
because matie tia Ghana mamuom la ne so
okay
uye chini ho
me chini so okay
e wo free almost silent dio ho ba bi na o free by
we
krobi wo e friend is a Tonga me see a krobi wo Thomas
o se me silent dio re by silent dio ni
e krobi wo Tonga e yo mo third capital e friend silent dio so nko no ko hoda na u street masa unim wiase ba bia unim wiase no eye mienu na spare ba ko eno ko spare one
okay nim Ghana
unim na seka Ghana dia ha na ufri nti anka ho
okay di mienu
unim UK eno ko anya UK ba bia na unim
okay
only London
na him
ana unim US kakra eno ko anya state bia so na unim France dia utwam na ukoye transit ho nti wo kora wonche da nimo transit place na ukoye nkrom Europe na ba wiase wakoso
sa
ana ni nyina nso no
bako bebre dia but o de magiatum
masa
magiatum ba
even no akọ
but Seleon na wo be so kana
o se Seleon nka se Seleon uni Africa has me Seleon na wo na West Africa ha na me kra no maboa omo ne ade no uni mo se me
na Seleon oyiwa
me se wo ekro bia fla ne Tonga
not just Seleon oye musician
and yes Seleon musician and
but your Seleon ekro and your Seleon
I show you bokus at times kra no ebi o wa obo ade ya madom nam tim ya achi ni ma na me twa me wan bia ebu anenum kra timi fedi me mind what you say
nenum timi ere
etimi fedi me mind
asechese
e ma me refi me ho fedi ai sa fedi
wan just adia fedi
yes
okay
na refi wan nya fedi
okay eti ene ye Seleon obonyum
yes
ene wo Seleon so
ekro ho
e wo Tonga
me se Tonga third capital unko ho da
dia Tonga na mu ne kase ne say ono was our third capital
me pacho di o mi se Tonga no ete sa tonsu kula na enkro no bulu me nsa me so third capital
okay
wa ko ho ne ken na ko di nkomoda
Tonga kimero
me patch unim ho asem we kura wunya say me start your mind me refresh your mind am wo
so you say Kimber na otonga ono
masa patch unim ho ye ntwa asem so ade mu me kan kura si ni chronicles here to say
otonga island kitikitibi
na island any kro
tonga no and also more third capital omo first and second capital now third Selendion.
Me patch on Ghana.
I put it to you. Selendion and never saw can.
Me patch on the we a big liar. Uni imagine uni mitrim. We a liar. The main person me Canadian one. Who go school sana u teacher no or chair or more Anglican no.
Is it teacher what I do?
I said that you ye there. A better one me sensible mind the one mitrim.
Okay. Selendion you might out or yacht or yacht the solo.
Me see and can yacht. Who can say be because we are fading with the minded.
You can't say.
Your friend yacht, you can yacht.
Okay.
My cousin yacht shows I won't to be that. Untina bim da won't so be do tina yacht moi. A blabba who born we are singing. I will be few no papa now.
I didn't try.
Yachting.
I didn't try.
Ronaldo creating me tina me influence in mind. Or tina money a kasa chilena. The other can be ours. Yes, boss. Now, what do you think I want tina bare 40 minutes BSc form?
Yacht, right?
You can yacht.
Yacht. Who's that can yacht?
You can yacht.
Yacht.
By and of course, some women say,
I know Trama Selendion you been a outin.
What's it?
Selendion you been a utipa.
Selendion you ma me it's.
What's your uti now?
Selendion there's about love songs. If the cool
love the
love songs now unimana another unimno
oh slang another love songs another
now me what you me ko America for kasa me ko Germany me ka German for kasa no be me yes scholar in languages wo be ka jam zame another visit packet one and kasa no
oh yeah language scholar okay Selendion you favorite Selendion you me
New day has come.
A new day has come.
Has come. Just we are say dayachi ni sana.
New day.
Yes. Just at the full floor. E betima ba we ase. And I said the full floor betima ba we. So entina me say onya chilling boy, onya playman ni. Because unim se okura no Selendion nyum kram se untie bi da. O ze kinkre ya. Na ube nya ni CD ato. Nya de o ma totu egu ayi so aba de no nya original CD ato.
Oh, dem say kwa de.
Enu dia we want to tell me asa unya papa ntie na me de aso. Ana so bi na de ba ko bi be send o se fa yo stone. Enu to monsi enu apete. Wa dia de papa be. Ne mo di o me say me so kankam. Opani bia ya do edi on.
They say to was answer na baba penyo ado. Ma say oh ambassador. Ambassador
no dey. Media no me di because me wi ase ade
ambassador na.
Na me ka che we. Ade me pen wo wi ase no. So you ma free ho a post.
Obe post wa.
Say me deserve post bia. Because my being na me nima de na me ho nso ofe. Na me woska.
Being the own being.
Unye teacher ni no ka chem say me.
Ade nso de unim.
Na wo pen so am ya.
Na o nso nyefe.
Opa we o take one ano. Metima employee o lectures ni bi. Na me no akose lecture no amaye. Exams na me no inu mienu. Ye be hwe de obeye qualify. Ewo wow enipa na o kire wade na nim.
O national anthem kronim ka. National anthem. And over to national
anthem de uti.
Over to anzan wako.
Me ye Ghana ni de. I am a responsibility.
So huto.
Say me huto any pledge. No be me she. Now who visit the baba na
okay, Oliver to national anthem ni.
Me pacho me sro ma me kama maza do ho asem.
O wi abeto.
Me wia. Me ma on pledge nyina.
Me ma on pledge okay. Every can pledge.
Now o kura no kama kan ni ma dey friend pledge. There be na who ma dey friend pledge.
But you mean.
Masa. Those days na o school. Private school be ni wa na to na national anthem. Je nya ni e government school no. Je na any mission school. O asoli school wa nko bi. Me kwa solid school na me call mining school ti me cry if me Ghana ni sin wo nya Ghana ni 100% because aban e ho kire na no pay tax o pay skade atuatu amanfo ka no Oh no, Papa, mu discard come a private man. Yeah, blow Ghana, see a big Ghana there, a normal. See a big Ghana there. You only say, Opanibina, me Koshiano. Commodity, me drew one in the poor go on muscle.
Okay.
Nothing, maybe some means we had any pacham which has an away there of Rimfani. No, oh. And yet born in warrior. Now, dear, or you know, fully chrome constituency, they say. One more money be more powerful. Men society in the dear, I imagine pa. Or more money be any Kuala or Mutibua woman. Oh, and Kuala and our show. Or no, the whole constituency of Shan Kualane and Mamu Pedumasuya almost 3,000. Uche. And watchy Adoye. Nablonia, dear say. Okwa nurse for mu kwanko emom okay normal because a teacher for us line omoje emoni akokɔ no ene anwa tinapa geisha na papa na asema mu kan se nyame nhira wo nya na papa ndin di Joseph Tiairi na Joseph Tiairi no ne symbol a wisu no master wo symbol na abedwane a hands of one mind one mind
to us.
Hands of mind.
Hands of mind.
I want to do a monster cow, my money here, human tentem. Hands of mind, hands in any panza. Hands in any panza, mind the party. Now, me can't even go my send. Hands of mind.
Okay, hand mind, boomer. Organ hands of mind.
Nasania cano. Nasua quick English. Who say which read them, so be feeling. De bia wo be fail de bia because your mom myself won't mean chro wo be chon tin adebo a cut shot entina a cut shot ye chasu tietia cut shot wo de bia be fail because fe na wo be dwene ho and am ba yesi trowa ho asem and my year adwuma wa ha my year adwuma wa ha and
okay I find so try myself I will change
me the competent man blood na nyankopon. I'm the richest 50-50 Ghanaian with the before. Say me nyakane ni papa and I'm before no me call abem. I'm going to the school in Ahmadiyya Preparatory and then my former school with the primary school with the Doom Presby Form 4 in a Doom courtroom. Do you know courtroom? Uni baby Ramsey afwaso dani sise se uni mwana ana unkwaso lo wana dabi uni mwana in a doom courtroom. I start with my senior college school, the Plempe College.
Okay.
In Plempe at Sofola. Okay. Those days that place nearest marketplace. Chese Benjano. Okay. I'm cut out with the school. And my father sent me straight to UK, Buckingham Palace. After that, my father telling to me, go to Oxford.
Me know myself.
And I and this school I'm going to some kind of never application. Meaning I saw this shame. Here who the wire swab of blah. And I saw the more blabbian and see what you're trying to shot. Okay. After with my school, I'm the business intellectual with the that school. I'm starting dealing with the ships. And then one of the Ogota biggest land, 66 acres. I'm doing my ship business, one after the other, country after country. After 25 years later, I'm doing with my plane business in United States of America, Michigan. That land is the 1,500 acres in Michigan.
Okay.
After that, I'm sending back to the Ghana. Full stop.
Myself,
I said the master back Ghana. I'm say. Nam te me kodia abaka say. Said next week me free hejawi. Oh be hlama. Said the mount. Then to the bed diamond.
Myself, why
me pacho ye kasa myself I won't teach won't as child.
Wow,
myself the wow wasem na nyam wasem nam kan na ye wo wasem on
very quick. Okay, macho we pledge no near train.
Oh, Mr. Mami kama maza do
Mami started pledging.
I promise on my honor now wouldn't cancel me ana.
Yes
Obia mi ma
yes
mananti aduma prep college
yes eko I promise on my honor
every Wednesday bia na call worship.
Okay,
every Wednesday be after the worship no call classroom and you may di ula now the day is over.
Okay, now the day is over.
Nothing can test shadow for the evening. Straight at go home. Debbie straight now okay, I know what. I know what. Say one can be that. Debbie, I know big fault. It's now Mamin Kamasema, Amaza do Yankupandum, Nipa di Amame. Na ayen mo nyam hyem so ba come adwuma ho after that no we are the baba can pledge natural na we are mama one of the famous national anthem in the whole world is Ghana national anthem and then US national anthem.
Okay, about 2 years.
Metro ni dia na say US wasika unim dia guzo God in tracks. US wasika sani atro so God in tracks. And I won't say dollar nanim da
God in there.
Asema me car no won't say na
God in tracks.
Me car say tracks. And there any tracks. Just say omu jinyankopon di
and now can say God in trust. And no $100 so.
Na wo sa dollar me di dollar ni me enu nyina me di Canadian dollar and then US dollar. Wo play be a US dollar no wo be hu bia I just say the who I have no because it's an Alabama. What banga ko dollar da.
Now where so no? God.
Me flee me say God in trust. And I want to scan so.
The actual God in trust no. A different from the actual in God we trust.
Me patcho the difference. Me say government be every try be shame. Me patcho Ghana hamba as mo say musika ni na nyefe. Unim obi be try be shame.
Okay, you.
And the man boss.
The ambassador seven.
Me patcho.
So your ambassador.
Joseph Thierry project. TJTP.
Joseph Thierry project. Okay.
Now the way
oh, okay.
Ado yang kwana menso no mani tia do ho wi ase sa wo de wo no uni bi nti won cha de
me kakana mo na me chebi
wo asa jaisa he se wo cha de a nyame yi wo fra consider beblebe me sa wo nya competent Christian.
They are competent Christian. Okay, but the competent Christian I
just say jidi ni mapa
maybe
wo
yes
wo life yi na be ma nko a wo ti a wo na wo aduane na wo sha kitchen na no ya fante te be ma sa
competent Christian we go
opien wo be sa
the Bible
competent Christian we have to marriage.
You have to
marriage one single lady.
You have to marriage.
One single lady is your life.
You have to marriage and you have to marry. Difference of thing.
Me patcho difference home ni say ba ko L and ba ko LL last alphabet na shetwo. Enti tie na masa me dia wuni ma nya enfom so. Mpacho tie.
Well, you ambassador ndie no.
Me patcho man ahoma so kotei.
Okay.
Ana ija enkoko ne mu aman na che no ho no na asema me ka che ni nyina say o Canada me say God we have blessed him nyame be shira ne papa de atosu mienu ne bibia o ye bia oni bidie enso oposa ne nsam e ma ne so obia so oso ompehwe de o pa ne se obema nipa as dada setena ma di yie eno na unso unimie no so the mature into life from the be shechiri say the bia you fall ko to ase the bia
na me ko achiri a
wo de achiri ngwa na abako unzi akwa unko bi ube yusu anka na da otai bejo no na abehu enti de omni say me pacho me sewala ofoli krom guys bi omo ya ade bi pa e floor parliament me pacho chairman Kwame Antwi ya dodo na flan Kwame Kama oni straight big billionaire ya ono so no ya frano Alaska the otoso miensa and the obi anum no big pivot supremo ya o ye decent or ye humble the humble supremo ya ono de obi ade friend ni Congo and the chairman W
okay me pacho
me srawo uniska o se mo me masa emo me pa na na maguso no
Joseph Kane is your child from
me pa cho me so there I like any personality ya o pema masem I like laughs what I say I like laughs me promise emba
oh okay
na mpacho mini akesa
pledge the
metwa
over now the day is over now go to no obi so what kind of part those days
say utenie me ko school kakra ukroma me a competent student
okay
in Ghana
okay
but ablabo no pese udi ye ntama so free ya
okay
say wa uti he say nti na me say enko no o da ho te Ghana at your age unko pescript bi ye e wo vechenza ho ba bi o da ho te ya DCD
nani also be president how na video so
me pacho me no me be mani pa di ye e wo Ghana ha
it me twa mo aba be president
massa at my 100 days in office you go see surprises you go see surprises with the student from the elementary school to university to tertiary no fees no food no payment farmer obi abe chile bi go sika wa ha enti wo mask ni media de me campaign am de na sika wa ha na me nso mi wo sika abu mi so enti me na me be dia de
okay
Tina Kufuado send me in text message the excellency or see ya new a big pivot meeting there's a meeting hu ya pa
a very big pivot
meeting
okay
so we share this other enti na de omni say mesia wala opani wada roma say me ba na manka onimonyamfo kwampoku CID awrade na menya kopo bemani
CID
the humble DC
fantastic CID
the humble DC the competent again DC na oni made bia bro nyan oyema ye mansofo me nananum nyina anya bi awadu bia akunafo nyisia nyanka kofia force bosia kura kobobu bank na fahwe na manipa diye empia microphone shawasum empia microphone shawadum
microphone shamasum
na nya na shawasum
na we microphone
me pacho earphone
na te microphone shamasum
ai na se cheze enkasa
na
enti na msi exams ube fail ya chepa
na ube fail
microphone ni mu kasa na ade ni gu asum
na se microphone shamasum
na se kasa ni ko wasum na nkom
ba ka se headphone shamasum
men ka se headphone ya ka se head uti
we dey earphone oh
headphone a ukoka
dey
ube tie tibiem
onim say headphone
enya head
dey
e shewuti
okay na jebti
wapampam ye head wapampam ye head
it is a ganze
we earphone wasum na ade ne kasa gu earphone
it because a headphone na wetin
headphone no ubetima yusu ama motor riders na o yusu helmet no na betima yusu am uni ma masa me nkyerɛw am de me po bi oni ma de a ho kyerɛ na de a no wɔ asere on poku si ai wa chefna fo ni nyanka papa na ni nua ketewa bi ni di ba de big owura akwani e humble and peace say de ko hwe kwampoku kura obesi akrokro wafa sanam life team
all right yam no aso awie
me pacho aso awie dia
pledge
me be ka pledge no but mama nchia amas for omu goalkeeper no so
oh okay
oso ohia mo bi me sha ahwe ma hwe
so bi tia boa no
me di ni betu kwa
okay oh yeah that's it oya de
God bless my homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong.
95.7.
Go to defend forever, a consume freedom and the flag. Freedom I, you, two, and me. You, she, with the fearless, cheerless, all nicey, and make our nation great and strong. Risalawe, all mine forevermore. Risalawe, all mine forever. Maza, MPs Krako do Parliament, Obi Ayademano. So anymore, no first to Ghana, Ayademano. Namia man kono ha.
Okay, all right. Okay, now the pledge.
No. Me pese mi busa wa nsa na maka pledge no nim say o ka o don sa to koko.
Yes, sir, it's a pledge.
And na me say wonnim unzo yeah.
So you are pledging something, okay?
I promise on my honor to be faithful in the more Ghana with my motherland. I express myself with the old ways of Ghana with all my heart and with all my demeanor. I promise to ya esteem. What I say? I didn't say the wusi ya no. I didn't make no na unim ka na say usu ya free me ho. Dabi usu ya free me na say unim ka.
Okay.
Right now, be on show if them say me a clever more than you.
Okay. Now what can you and what can we?
Na say the wo ya no.
Okay, sorry.
Obi chira wa dia wo sere.
Sorry. I didn't even receive you.
Me chia Sofwa Gaspar.
Okay, Sofwa Gaspar Joseph.
Or a true man of God.
Yes.
And I'm saying, oh, Kwasolinti, uni man of God. And I'm by who me say. That be as a and by who me say.
Who says it? That's why it's nice. I say.
And that's my nice. Me did be have nice. Now name him Pablo so born. Kofi.
I'm a Pablo.
Kofi.
Pablo.
A senior Wallabies.
Oh, okay.
They were junior. But we senior Wallabies. And a shemeno. And you know, you only say in Parliament the Amicha will be a for the Chrome Parliament there. Speaker, Secretary, and but Masa and Pablo Shameno. And you put 2 penny shebi we are say. What you say? You put 2 penny shebi we are say. And Joe Biden nation dealer.
I don't turn out to back one.
I me patro said you no. Oh yeah, they be a dear man dofu.
Okay.
But penasem. Then Pablo ni board thing Kofi. Untimi shebi da na be kwa wako.
Ba man for say one ka pledge na nwi. Me mom de nyame queen.
Pledge na me kan. Me tira wade no a o laugh no. Ubu me say.
O da bi say if you are coming TV da nti na me say.
And ya me say ufli Venezuela. Ghana ni America pledge I want to say. E see you free krom ha.
Obiso ga promise oya is due.
What are you talking about? Remember who's ang of foreign na eh? And kwasema me ka choni say na ko bi be used to come on taxi driver mama. Ah? After no who say eyem kofo bi a me ba krom ha no. Ma ho ofe ni mi sika e ma tu adi ma chinti. Almost send me signal say omo be dey. Omo be impeach me life. Omo be ni masi.
Ah okay.
I say no dey ni guase aka on say dey okoye yenye. Unim say bi ne Ben Clinton, unse impeach no. Ben Clinton, former president of the United States of America.
The new United States president Ben Clinton.
Unim nana.
Ben Clinton.
Men asam na America no kase bia unim no. Na unim Monica Lewinsky.
Monica
Lewinsky.
Minim Monica Lewinsky.
And you fading.
Minim Monica Lewinsky.
Asam na
Monica Lewinsky.
Ye aya katrema wo de na butu. Me de ane ye enti wo ntimi pronounce word ne and na beat you no.
Ah okay, to Lewinsky de ka no. And Ben Clinton.
President, former president ya of America.
Never Ben Clinton. America nya president BFF Ben Clinton da.
Jalita me awo.
Ah, me to me akura na bujam Jalita.
Unim so about Ghana ha.
Ben Clinton.
Clinton kwa didn't go to France. What is the ball no?
Meaning Clinton, but me say from the Bill Clinton.
See asam na o catch man once be any.
Ah go there. O catch man.
Me catch man here straight into kind of Ben Clinton.
Na me
o can bill. Go there no form.
Okay.
Anya on fum zo e na me nhye.
Okay. All right. I only was shooting it. Oh, okay.
Masa,
Wow.
me ho board.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
And yet that's nice.
Only my shoe, there are two things.
That is serious,
Okay.
competent, nice.
Your time now, I'm like 1 minute, it's 2 minutes.
And you say Ghana for be a bit check.
Yes, a pledge and complete it.
Me patch up, me complete amount.
Okay.
Say opa, me complete amount. By you starting with laughing and stop it.
Okay, all right.
And to do your job well.
Okay.
With the senior
Okay,
hostel in sports.
okay.
This man cram friend is senior, he did mistake no my.
I'm lazy.
We are junior. Oh, they are then why we go flows.
Senior, that's just why I check.
Senior, yeah, why I channel Yameso and Kwalana never flows, ah.
Oh, okay.
Opele mo never flow blah ni senior. Near some flow junior.
Okay, yeah.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and Ghana with my motherland.
Okay.
I express myself with the always in Ghana. I take my heart with the Ghana in land. I promise you, yeah, esteem. No real. So on tears here. Debbie, on tears here. And no real. Debbie, tears up now, make me see my real.
What do you mean? Okay.
Now you're a failure in dictionary and yesterday, Nabasri.
Okay. Okay.
Because Nampacho Uche,
Okay.
Ocho Festival.
Yes. Ocho Festival to the home fan on tea.
Oh,
And channel.
and Yampacho, Yankupo man and Kwan and Wadi. God, we have saved that man's life. Yamin saving life, no,
Then phone
me Pacho, Fubia, my girlfriend, we bet Toma, me and China, me crown my
now ring to baby.
Yeah, a dear tone.
Don't be
A dear tone. Nanny phone, Anna. Hey, now for you cross up, wouldn't fool.
maybe it's 11 Pro Max.
Yeah, child 11 Pro Man on your phone, a chamu
Pro Max.
and your Pro Max.
Say 12, when I may try say,
Ute.
Madam for making carbon no ma
Who called your monkey, but boo, papa. We go and check that your beer or your market woman.
nothing
Follow
wrong.
prices.
I will be a good dome, your very market to one. Number man's good to my friend say.
Your friend market man.
Okay, I'll be a good job.
Or baby or Tom deal with Jom.
Okay.
Your friend market woman.
And a band may be a to ideal Jumbi as a very market man.
Now, I just a man I'm catching.
Them so now come me.
Send them me bluff unti. Now make a cast actually, make sure I dear no one. So, boy, Babuti, Babuao. Eti, Otiofa Estiva, Namen Cano. Now, Omana Wade. The senior pillar of Asafu. Nyamen Cano, no man in Kwan would do. Now, what have been a friend at Chama Astes?
Oh, yes.
But, on the day, Bina, my name is girlfriend be Chawa and Biwo. The shop, mean dearless, the shop place. Let me say, oh, papa.
Pa.
Hey, the papa knows, let me say, a more fair.
Pa.
I miss one ton of how.
There be or the Framon on the neighbor.
And you're going to serious business partnership. Power.
Oh, it's your business partnership.
And so, who bet me now, Juma?
Okay, you.
Now, me pacho, who to be to be Roger?
I'm it to be.
What?
Yeah,
cotton papa, cotton papa.
Aye.
Now, dear, now, we hear you.
Say, Hanum,
Who do you see who won't lie?
Oh,
And so, then, who way?
bend down now.
Oh, nanka mo shine who to mo nkwa no mpabo obe shine wo hwe mo anim enso babo ade ne
Ever dey see I so chow ma be so chow obabi ocho festival ma be say we show a speedy recovery.
Oh nyame be ka no ho ye be blame ni papa na say from house.
Oh Joseph one nipa Joseph K T kra so or New Jersey say so or where go hospital to wait we didn't know.
Oh
and yeah ba
master we me catch my girlfriend bi your friend Tracy Wise.
Oh he.
Huh?
Oh he.
Oh Canada.
Okay.
Or your competent
Canada crow ben on him so.
Canada meaning Toronto.
I'm kind of Toronto.
And yet Toronto. Me ma ko da no. Ada de ka sam tra wa challenge.
I'm kind of Toronto.
Na me flee na ba ya me can say. Ma be di Canadian dollar or Ghana.
Okay, Toronto and
2,000 Canadian dollar.
Toronto and
Me pacho e hon kwa na me ko e.
It's all going in baby. I know.
Min ko kromu Krobi so nko second capital.
Now what got third capital go?
I want to miss man ko be ti hodi.
Okay. All right. But then I did chat one now watch ya. In fact, almost all chum watch me.
In cha obia.
$1 say Ochiao.
Joseph typical Tiairi, the man with the wisest, with the famous heart and the demeanor. Joseph Tiairi. Mechiani baby obia. TJTP. Ofoli Chrome. Okay, now say I don't so cry me promise. And now mama Zado need me promise ne. Say unya kolebi o Ofoli Chrome constituency. Ya ni tidi buana from a number man. Even foreign number or local number. But some foreign area me farmer. Oh, and they normal. And they normal pa.
I don't better bro.
There be say foreign number no more pa fle. On country na bla what to say. I do so what? I dey asem no. Na bla what to say. Na bla adwuma to say. Ada adwuma mu nya obefiri wa bebo ame ana.
So show concern.
What are you talking about concern? Concern be anywhere kire say jefa koye adwuma. Concern papa me show concern ma obi ada. And run some flower $100,000 sister. For wa blabo.
Okay.
No I can say nearless God bless you.
Now so cry.
That be nearless just idea is so kakra nyame nhira yam peli fufu.
Nya idea so kakra fin near.
I say ben eswa.
Eswa na ben.
Tie die. Enti na me school we failure no. Idea eswa bia no. E che say ben. On the maturity e ben no wobet ma yusu am nearless. And a sanu bet ma yusu am nearless or chicken feed small.
Okay.
Oh, who school o say asable papa. Who be a chomuska?
Nana Boache se ko mobile momo number. Bem so momo no register binti. Os na Boache os sende ba ono menene nam de bia na. Eto da no wa ye meyi bat.
Nana Boache go de.
Nana Boache Boache so wa manone nti ose
momo number no me sende a. At times me tire a man trim sika ni free so. And a scan super and can ye man ke show bottom and efe.
Okay.
Sky and fan share wallet. Ya the show bottom. Oko 1 2. Na say
you want also Porsche no.
Me Porsche na nya wallet.
Okay. Enya dey.
Enya wallet.
Wallet.
Enya wallet. Ka wallet on besre.
The
Wallet ni dey. Ana mo so kra na hanom ba no wallet nyafe enye kufu flat nation botomu be kom no 50-50 mienu.
All right, so gas pass watch ya
me chia ne papa se u pese u ye nhira de a na u pese u flat dum ko adum
95.7
Agaspa. Okay, asofo mbompa ma pa asofo Agaspa and asofo ima
spiritual father
asofo ima
so mbota yes e me kokura bitimi ginam se u nkongo bompa ya oda
me bopa
wo
na kwegwe ezuru dia
you also petty there what you talking about don't waste your time some ko bompa who so petty
you don't waste your time, you spend your time. There's a difference between waste your time and spend your time.
Me patcho excuse me to say let my refresh my mind. Me refresh my mind.
Yapon
patcho any me ampon and Joseph Tiairi TJTP.
Okay. What can I
say? School. Uni makula uni ma DSC ya okuta results a china ya den beko university.
Oh, okay.
Uni here ni ba BCCA. Me no te ha ka say studio ha. Me mo afrɛ in live. Studio ha.
Okay.
So ti ha na ni mo ba bi. Ni bodwa asɛm nye. Race course kukla no wo mu race course no. Masom ni si agya e.
Nim de ona say me nko ho da de ona ko.
Obi a wo ma me no do achi ko to ba nche ne body no. No mami na ne ofufu yi.
David.
Hey, no mami ni mfani agro.
David.
Hey, Kofi.
Madam mami adam funu.
Na ngina wo ne yesi de bia na kantani pan so wo race course body mu we.
Enyam ya.
Anaza wo na na akoya omu kenke no.
Aboya we.
Say what de kenke ne dokuna. Say me e bi si mi ti so da.
Okay, all right. Etevo.
This one makwala bia.
That's the said Oliver Kahn can say.
The name no o bo anu aboni.
Ambassador,
the dealer with the ship.
Ambassador, the dealer with the ship.
And I say ambassador, simple, dynamic,
can.
fleshness can.
Okay.
Because me nice.
Ofe.
And they said the Masia chairman.
Lady be no offer power, a lawyer, friend Claudia. Or say the need your power.
Claudia, then so no. I am a happy Christian name.
Okay.
Because Gabriel in the school near friend Claudia Manu da watch dankwa.
Okay.
Claudia Manu watch dankwa.
Okay.
Now the papa will scapa.
Oh, okay.
So we are my studio crime on your quarter. Only part on friend. And the chest me put a high class with the business.
I tell you, yeah, this year, pure 95.7.